Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having an amazing day. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. And if you do enjoy this video, make sure to get a thumbs up. On the screen are today's shoutouts. Thank you guys so much for comments and your support. If you also want a shout out, all you have to do is subscribe, turn notifications on, and be the first 20 people to comment hashtag #ChillFication once you've done that. In today's video, I'll be reviewing a Starlight projector by the brand EURPMASK. Okay, so here's how the box looks. You can get this on Amazon. Okay, you guys, so now let's open it and let's see what's inside. So here I have some scissors. And I actually don't even think I need scissors because the packaging is very easy to open. So I'm just gonna like peel off this tape right here. Which is actually, you don't even need scissors to open this. Okay, very nice box. Whoa, so when you open it, you have this like kind of like pop-up sort of. It says that use the correct method of the remote control. Make sure the remote control is pointing in the infrared sensor. So here's kind of like the diagram of how like the Starlight projector works. Very nice packaging. So in here we have a thank you card. Here we have like instructions and stuff in all sorts of different languages as well. And here is the actual projector with the remote. So it's in a foam so that like it doesn't like break during the shipping process. And this nice little baggie. Here we have the remote. It's a nice plastic, and right here's the remote. Okay. Now let's open it. You guys, I love unboxing new stuff. It's so satisfying. Okay, what do we have right here? We have in this little baggie. Right here we have the USB block. And then right here we have the USB cable. Everything is really nicely wrapped in these like little baggies. Okay, now let's take out the foam. Ooh, guys, and right here we have the actual projector. Okay, let's take it out. So it comes in this bag. Let's open this. Whoa. Here's how it looks, you guys. This looks so cool. And it's actually like really like light. The thing that I like about this is like it's all like white, so it kind of like matches this theme, and it's like very aesthetic. Okay, I'll figure out how this works and then I'll show it to you guys. Oh, wait guys, look at this. You can like adjust it wherever you like want. Very cool. And the base, like it really stays because there's these like rubber like stoppers on the bottom. Okay, you guys, let's figure this out. For the projector, there's like different modes. Simple mode, smart Wi-Fi mode. Yeah, okay, basically, we're gonna first do the simple mode. So it looks like you have to like turn it on. Oh wait, I think you have to like plug it in first. So the diagram is like really easy to use because there's like these little circles showing where everything is. So here's the on button. Okay, I think it has to be plugged in. Moment of truth, now I'm going to turn it on. Oh my gosh, guys.
Bluetooth mode.
Whoa, it's talking to me. Oh my gosh, guys, right now it's like really bright because it's kind of shining in my eyes. But you guys, like, okay, let me show you guys the ceiling. Okay, so if you look at the ceiling, it looks really, really nice right now. And if like the lights aren't off, so if I turn off the lights, this will look like just gorgeous, like you guys. Okay, guys, there's also like a brightness level right here. Whoa, you guys, also, I can just show you guys real quick, like right here. That just looks very cool. Also, there's like a brightness level, so if I want it to be like less bright, I can do it less bright, or if I want it to be like really, really bright. So, now I have to like actually figure out like the mode. So for now, I'm gonna turn it off, because it's kind of like shining in my eyeballs and I can't really see anything. So now we have to figure out how to use the remote. Let's open this. Oh, I'm so stupid. Oh, like that. Okay, so you need some batteries. So let's see, it looks like you need 2 AAA batteries. So I'll be right back with some batteries. So the package didn't come with AAA batteries, so I had to grab my own. So right here, I'm gonna put them in. Okay, yeah, pop that. Pop those little bad boys in. Okay, now let's close this. Oh my gosh, why can I not do this? There we go. Okie dokie, now let's see. Wait, what? Guys, am I hearing things? It's making like a noise. Let's do fade. Whoa, okay guys, so basically it's like changing the colors, as you guys can see. Fade 2. Okay, so there's different like animations. I don't know what the S does. I think it's like different motions. So basically, if you like any type of stuff, you can like just change it up. Okay, and then this LED, that turns it off. So now I have to like Bluetooth connect my phone to the Starlight projector. So first you have to turn it on, and then the name of this one is SKE, and then some like random like letters. Okay, so it's asking like the pop-up pair with like the pair request.
Bluetooth connection.
Oh, okay, it just said that it's Bluetooth connection. So I assume that it's connected. So let's try something. Nice relaxing music. Okay, basically, so now I'm like playing, and let's see if I can control it from the remote now. Okay, so that made it quieter. And that made it louder, very nice. Oh, okay. Now I skip to the next song. So basically the main like functions of this projector is obviously like to project the lights and to like play music. Okay, you guys, so now I'm gonna show you like how it kind of looks on like my room. Okay, you guys, so here's like the projector right here, and look at this. So those are like my LED lights, but if you look at the ceiling, just it looks so cool. Like it's kind of just shining like everywhere. So you have like a tapestry, and look at it, like it like makes it look really, really nice, especially the ceiling. So now like I'm just gonna play around with like the settings. So lighting isn't that great right here, but I'm just gonna like be playing around with the settings. So on the remote control, there is like on like the instruction sheet, there's all sorts of like settings. So I'm just gonna like kind of show you guys like up, and then I'm gonna be like changing it with my hand, sort of. Okay, so you guys, I'm gonna turn on the music real quick. So now guys, I'm gonna be like adjusting like the actual like lights. So I'm gonna be pressing like random buttons. Also, you guys, you can like adjust kind of the angle, so wherever you want to point it to, you can like kind of point it. I like it like this, so I'm just gonna like leave it like so. Okay. Okay, that's a bit loud. So basically, there's like different buttons. Let me press this one. The R. Oh, okay, so basically I added a red, but personally I find the red like a little bit like too much. I like the blue more. Okay, so now I just got rid of the red. This adds like a green. Whoa, the green looks really nice. It reminds me of like the ocean. It just looks really satisfying just to like look at. Okay, now I press like the B, which made it like green, and then the W makes it white. So right here is like kind of how like this looks. So it's like projecting up, like so. So for example, if I like press something like the R, it like becomes like red. I think this creates like a really nice vibe. You can like play whatever music you'd like. It kind of creates, if you're stressed or whatever, like you can just sit and like relax, and it creates like a really nice like effect. It's just very satisfying. There's like a microphone button right here on the remote. So if you press it, then the lights start beeping to the beat of the music. I don't know, it looks a little bit, you guys, it's kind of annoying. I don't like that. So it's essentially supposed to like fade the lights on the beat of the music. But I think it's a little bit off, or maybe this is just the type of music, but yeah. Also here, the brightness of the lights, you can like control it, how bright you want them to be. Basically, you can just like play around with the settings. Like this, they're kind of like fading in and out. Like the blue right here and the green. Like this, I like the blue and the green, that's my favorite setting. But yeah, there's all sorts of different settings. And basically, you can like put this anywhere in your room. Or I think this would actually look really nice for like parties. Like it's a whole like vibe. So here's kind of like how it looks. Like I'm gonna show you guys again. The blue and green is definitely my most like favorite one. It looks really nice. Also, these colors, they kind of just give me like a holiday vibe, and just for parties, like I think this is really nice for parties. Like, it would really decorate something. Also, if you just, like, want to decorate your room somehow and you don't know how, I think this is, like, a very great way to decorate your room. For example, like, in my room, I have this, like, tapestry and these, like, LED lights. But I think, like, just, like, the starlight projector, like, really, like, makes my room, like, look extra fancy. So kind of like on this page right here, there's a guide to like all the buttons. As you can see, there's so many like buttons that you can press. But mostly I think there's like only a few important ones. Like for example, like to turn on the music, like the brightness. And this just like turns off like the whole thing. You just have to also make sure you're like pointing it at like the actual projector. So right here, I kind of have like this extension cord. And then I have like the green, which is like these LED lights right here. And then this is the cord to the starlight projector. So what I think, I would like put it like somewhere like right here, for example. I'd put it right here, and then I'm gonna like point it to like the wall and the ceiling. The light is very comforting, but I don't think it's enough like light to read a book. So I think this is like very good for relaxing and also to have a dance party. So now let's turn on the music and let's have a dance party. Yay, let's go. They're showing off their dance moves. Okay, guys, let's stack on top of each other. Guys, let's throw it back. Oh no, the pyramid fell down. Anyways, guys, that was pretty much it for this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and it'd be super duper awesome if you'd subscribe. If you want to buy the Starlight Projector, check out the link down below in the description box and use code RACHEL02 for 20% off your order. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video.